I told you.
We are good to go.
That's the only way we can get them spawning.
Well, I'm saying though,
especially
when
for
I'm
the
up
second
there,
bit as well.
I always went up there to op
but that's what I'm saying. Yeah,
heavy.
You op those guys, and then the times we've been successful, like got farthest, you run down really quick and cover me from down there.
You died before I even
no, but
before you planted.
I was on the crest.
I've always stayed up there until the second heavy ran through while you were planting the bomb, and I shot at him.
You didn't? Did you shoot on him that time, or well, did he already kill me? Well,
yeah,
he ran through with his knife. I hadn't seen that before. He left like a right spot. I'm almost dead. They're both coming for me, really.
I'm looking for him, but there's a truck right here in the way. I don't see him yet.
Dude, I managed to save myself.
Do what?
They were either side of the fucking thing. Oh my god. Never mind. I retract my statement about saving myself. Do you know the thing up there you're looking at there, where you killed him at?
Huh?
I was behind it and they were coming either side of me. He's in the water, so I jumped off the side and one of them followed me down into the water. You can see him from there, I'd say. He's so elegant. Like a swan.
Yeah.
Left. Behind you. You hear him? Behind, like, go left round.
Courtyard's clear.
Do you know him?
Yeah, I did. I thought he was coming to me. That's why I stopped there.
What are you fucking gay? What?
Oh.
We need both of you to secure Imogen.
Why does he need both of us, huh?
We need both of you to secure Imogen.
Dude, if these people don't stop repeating themselves.
It's horrible. That is it's really bad with that. I think it's just when they didn't talk.
And deadly. If I wasn't spoken for,
There'll be time for jokes later. Let's get you out of here.
Great. Let me get out of this APC.
No, stay in the vehicle. You'll be safer inside.
Put me in the vehicle.
My people will escort you out of the facility.
You don't have to sell me on not getting shot at. Here we go. Wherever you are.
What?
You guys left. Still have one out there. They're trying to slow you down. You can expect more of these choke points.
Great.
Imogen, do you have any ideas on how to take this place out?
I've got an idea.
You have an idea?
Couple hundred kilos of plastic explosive?
What if I told you we only had 2
No, that's I was doing that earlier. I was getting
you
to
really?
carry, yeah. I was getting to carry a spur gun through this checkpoint for me.
C4.
I'll see what I can come up with.
It works.
It's funny.
Find Imogen and bring her to me. Anyone
know
who
what
plays a
accent
part
that
in
is?
bringing this traitor to justice will earn my favor and be rewarded.
Do you?
I'm sorry I couldn't hear you with her.
Do you know what accent she is?
I do not.
What does it sound like? What would you say?
I really don't know. Yeah.
She's Scottish.
Alright, we'll plant the first bomb in that building over there.
I'll come down.
Yeah, he's already pushing me.
He's already shooting me over here.
Oh my god, I could be fucking dead.
We'll plant the first bomb in that building over there.
Trying to get these.
I'm like pinned. Okay, he fell back.
Alright, we'll plant the first bomb in that building over there.
Yeah, another guy spawned.
Get him.
Yeah, I got the heavy.
Heavy. Okay.
Only one guy left.
I need to get out of here.
That makes 2 left.
Plant it.
You need to heal?
Oh.
I did plant. I need to go back and get the shit though.
Get the coin.
Oh, another guy.
Throwing flashbang.
Don't be another heavy.
Next one.
That way.
Wait a minute. We never sold you any C4.
Your father's not the only game in town, Imogen.
You're buying explosives from
I honestly
Huxley.
thought, for some reason,
That
even though I've heard him
snake
say it
oil
8 times,
salesman sells inferior
thought he
products.
was gonna say your
We'll be
father's
lucky
not
if
the
this
only
thing
gay
doesn't
man in
explode while
town.
we're on site.
We can argue about inventory later. Stay focused
The
on the
fuck?
task at hand.
Alright, you good to go?
Yeah.
I'm at the gate.
You all healed up. Make sure you're on 100 before you go through this gate, knowing you.
Yep.
Alright, let's go.
In the area.
The last bomb goes in that building.
It's a rush game. Whenever you're gonna have to plant this time.
I've never even been in here. I don't know where they're at.
You need to plant in the corner here. I'll cover you.
I'm literally on top of it. Oh,
Yeah,
yep. I was thinking it was like a bomb site.
yeah. It is. You,
Three guys left. Down to 2.
but you at least have to
Not
be
too
close.
late
got
for
one
you,
guy left.
Imogen. I understand that you're scared and that you don't want to die.
You need ammo?
But if you step out of that vehicle with courage and
I guess-
dignity, I will grant
Can I
a
get it, or
quick
do you want
and
it?
merciful
I
end.
can have
got
it.
60. Alright.
But
Good.
if you stand defiant, if you continue
Okay.
to cast your lot
Come
with
over
these
here.
We
jackbooted
have to
thugs,
open the
See
gate.
that building
you
up there?
will reap the whirlwind.
Yeah.
He goes up there and then.
She's a
okay.
hell of a negotiator, isn't she?
Is that why you give me this?
Fine.
He literally just spawned there. Okay.
Grenade out. Throwing grenade.
Heavy right side. There's a load of them right side. 2 heavies.
Oh, yeah.
Throwing grenade.
Behind them buildings too. Wait, it's live. Oh, he's on the roof. Like,
Let him come. Flash
Deploying
him.
flashbang.
I'm flashed. Yeah.
Oh, there are 2 of them pushed in.
Oh no, I'm right around the corner.
Laying down
I'm
smoke.
smoking.
Oh no.
Push back.
Secure the area.
I died.
We can bring in backup.
I can like feel him on your back. Run.
Ready to go. The next 2 left.
Take it down.
Wipe the sweat off real quick. Hello?
Oh, that was a normal guy too. Good. Hey, yeah, there. Him in the corner? Your girl's here? Go back where you were just looking. At the old bomb site. He's standing right there. I'm looking at him. That's not the heavy
One
though.
enemy left.
No, the
Heavy's
heavy.
coming to you.
Heavy's coming. What do I have to run behind? Hello? Friendly, friendly.
I got 30 bullets.
Shit, do I?
You look at it to see.
Can I shoot out the lights?
You got any health kits?
No. burst?
Run,
Are you bursting?
Run, yeah. Kill him. Yeah. Oh no.
Where'd you leave the op?
Oh, there's a gun right there. The op's way upstairs.
Did you not fucking juggle it this time?
Alright, I got a better idea. Take a barrel, pick it up, throw it around the other side, and make it explode. Killing.
There's an ammo box.
Ah, nice.
Hello.
Please be a health kit.
No. Is he coming this far?
Came over there. I didn't even think he walked over. I didn't even think he walked through the gate.
He did.
He did.
Is that him there?
Yeah, yeah.
Fire in the hole!
What the? I thought that. Kinda sounded like a Molotov when it blew up.
It did. I thought, I don't know, I was like,
But that guy was sniping me with that Mike 7. Holy shit.
We have to open the gate.
dude, when I came back over here and I was like right in front of me, I just started spraying it down, holding it down.
I know, they like fucking bum
I was
rushed
like,
us.
just stay alive. I was like, one of us can make it out. That's great.
Ready when you are.
Alright, Blade, don't start this shit again.
We got coins to look for, woman.
Oh fuck yeah, coins.
You let a woman drive once in her life. Like this.
Do you want... Do you need ammo?
I got 30 out of
We
9.
have to open the gate.
Alright. There's a coin somewhere.
Could be out the next door.
Could be in the woods.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, they make this a map. I kind of like the industrial field.
I don't think it is. Maybe not. I don't know.
Ready when you are.
Alright, lady, I got it.
Alright, let's just go through with it, I guess. Oh, go away.
Medikit. Oh. Oh.
Yeah, come down here. There's another med kit. Oh.
On the coin?
I'm at the gate.
Hey. What are we looking at?
I figured you'd
Oh
want
shit.
I'm at the gate.
I didn't even see it. I mean,
Oh,
this
man.
could go very well or really shit. We'll see.
Yeah. Let's see. You have a lockpick. Like in Skyrim.
Skyrim.
Alright, let's do
Let's
this.
get out of here.
Velociraptor.
Oh my god.
Why'd that bomb go off early?
I
Bonnie,
already
Bonnie.
told you why.
doing
Inferior
Nate?
product.
I ran out the door.
Meeting with Boo.
It would be my pleasure.
Are they gonna be behind us the whole time?
I don't know. I'm running up ahead. You can watch back.
Imogen,
Recover.
I know you can hear me. And I want you to understand something very clearly. Even if you escape today, you cannot hide from us. The fiery wings of the Phoenix embrace this world, and not even your father
I'm
can
not gonna
shield you
try.
I
from
got
the
my
flames.
cheese.
Yeah,
Got it.
I don't know how to drive stick.
Are you kidding me?
what?
Hey, I'm good
What?
at a lot of things.
Don't know how to drive a
Manual
stick.
transmission just happens to be outside of my wheelhouse.
Oh, there's players here. Oh crap.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
What?
Do you mind them coming behind us still?
I feel like I'm not doing anything now that you have that thing. You have 41 now.
Which is
Yeah, I swear we were literally like 5 apart. Now it just. Oh my Jesus.
how much farther are they gonna follow us? I feel like they can't kill her, but they can kill us.
We're
Yeah,
lucky
yeah, yeah, I don't
Valeria
think so,
died in
Rhoda.
that blast.
We'll check for Valeria's body later. Good work.
How many times we go to this compound?
You're in a hostage rescue zone. This is our 3rd visit, but it seems like we've been here for hours.
30
you
more
know?
seconds and we're on.
When we're back to civilization, drinks are on me.
Yeah, got my 2 kills. We're doing the same thing we did the last
15
time.
more seconds.
Oh my fucking Hallie. Did she get out of the tank? or
Flash everything. Cocktail everything.
Grenade out.
There's still stuff blowing up back there.
Get down, everyone. Back to base. We'll check for Valeria's body later. Good work.
Oh yeah, you get the credit there. Okay.
Take that.